If your Samsung device is charging slowly, then in this video I will tell you few methods by which you can fix this issue. First of all, you have to make sure that the charger you are using is original or a fast charger. Once you are confident enough that your charger is perfectly fine, then navigate to your settings application. Tap on settings, then right here find battery. Battery is right here, tap on that, and in this window scroll down and find charging settings. Tap on charging settings and make sure to enable this fast charging toggle. However, if the charging gets slower after 75% or 80%, then it is a normal behavior. It is to protect the battery life. However, if the issue still remains, then you have to force restart your device. To force restart, simply hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time until the screen goes black. Now release the power button. However, if the issue still remains, then it can be a hardware issue as well. Please visit any nearest service center to get it fixed. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.